Today, I'm challenging myself to bake the most delicious, moist Tres Leches cake with strawberries, and I'm bringing you along for the ride. With each bite, the cake is like a little piece of heaven. This dessert is a delightful twist for all you strawberry lovers out there, and I just can't wait to share it with you. And fresh strawberries, creating a truly unforgettable dessert experience. The combination of the moist cake, sweet milks, The combination of flavors and textures in this cake is truly amazing. It's just mouth-watering and yummy. The end result is well worth the effort, as the cake is sure to impress anyone who tries it. This recipe is a must-try for anyone who loves strawberries and moist desserts. In the end, we've created a truly delicious moist strawberry Tres Leches cake. If you've tried a different twist on Tres Leches cake, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know about it. Don't forget to check out my other dessert recipes for more delicious ideas.